for more than just a day. Oh, I just can't help believe when she slips her hand in my hand, and it feels so small and helpless as my fingers fold around it like a glue. I just can't help believing when she's whispering her magic and her tears are shining on the sweet with love. This